Meta platforms. Is it too late to catch the rally? Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Top Stonks. Today, we're about to uncover the secrets behind Meta platforms, the social media powerhouse that's been crushing it in the tech sector. Hold on to your virtual hats, folks, because Meta's gains have skyrocketed by a jaw-dropping 110% so far. I mean, they're practically defying gravity at this point. Now, you might be wondering, with such stratospheric success, can Meta keep the party going? In a world where growth-dependent valuations are hotter than the latest viral meme, Meta's been the talk of the town. Their earnings have been better than a cat video compilation, and their artificial intelligence AI initiatives are sparking more excitement than a dancing parrot. But hey, before we jump onto the Meta bandwagon, let's take a moment to ponder the other side of the coin. Sure, Meta's been on fire, but some skeptics are warning us to keep our cool. With stock prices shooting up faster than a cat chasing a laser pointer, is it possible that we're entering a realm of overhyped overvaluation? So if you're thinking about joining the Meta madness, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. We're diving deep into the positive and negative factors that'll either make you shoot to the moon or have you seeking shelter from the storm. From AI wizardry to the dangers of investing in the tech hype bubble, we're leaving no stone unturned. It's time to separate the truth from the social media folklore. Get your funny cat videos ready, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. We're about to dig deep into the tantalizing world of Meta platforms and find out if it's still worth the virtual investment. In this channel, we do tons of research about the stock market, and our goal is to help you on your journey to financial freedom so you can live life on your own terms. If you like this video, make sure to destroy the like and subscribe buttons so that you won't miss any of our future content. Picture this. Digital advertising companies are like those persistent salespeople who keep popping up in your life, trying to sell you stuff you don't really need. They're facing some serious economic headwinds, which is just a fancy way of saying that they're having a hard time making money. It's like they're trying to sell ice cream in the middle of a snowstorm. Talk about bad timing. But wait, there's more. Meta, the big boss behind Facebook and all those addictive social media platforms, managed to increase its revenue by a whopping 3% in the first quarter. It's like finding an extra French fry at the bottom of your fast food bag. Small victory, but hey, we'll take it. Now, here's the twist. Despite their mini triumph, the advertising industry might throw some hurdles their way. It's like trying to play basketball blindfolded on a slippery court. Sure, they made some money this time, but with a recession on the horizon, they might need to come up with some fancy moves to keep that cash flowing. So let's hope these ad companies find their mojo and keep bombarding us with ads while we're innocently scrolling through our social media feeds. After all, what would life be without a constant reminder that we desperately need that shiny new gadget or the latest fashion trend? Thanks, digital advertising folks, for making our lives so much more cluttered and confusing. Wink. Imagine the digital ads market as a delicate flower that gets all sensitive when things go downhill. It's like those reality TV stars who can't handle any of the criticism. And now brace yourselves because the economy might be headed for a recession, which could give our flower a major case of wilting. Meta, of course the company behind Facebook and the mastermind behind your endless scrolling addiction, has been working hard to become more efficient. They've been slashing jobs left and right, making it rain pink slips. It's like they're Marie Kondoing their organization, keeping only the things that spark joy and saying goodbye to the rest. But here's the kicker. Meta has been investing a ton of money in this thing called the metaverse. It's like they're building a digital wonderland where we can all escape reality and become virtual superstars. Sounds amazing, right? Well, turns out it's a costly venture that's putting a strain on their profitability. It's like investing your life savings in an amusement park full of roller coasters that only a few people want to ride. And hold on tight, because there's another twist. Inflation, the sneaky troublemaker, might keep running wild despite some recent attempts to calm it down. It's like a mischievous toddler who just won't stay in timeout. If inflation continues to misbehave, the Federal Reserve might raise interest rates to put it in its place. And guess who would suffer from that? Yep, growth stocks like Meta. It's like getting a slap on the wrist when you thought things couldn't get worse. So, to sum it up, the digital ads market is a fragile flower and a recession might make it wither. Meta, our tech giant hero, is trying to tidy up its act, but has this expensive metaverse dream weighing it down. And to top it all off, inflation could continue misbehaving, leading to raised interest rates and more headaches for Meta. It's like a wild roller coaster ride with unexpected loops and bumps. Let's hope Meta can find its equilibrium and keep us entertained with funny cat videos and quirky memes despite all the economic twists and turns.